I just left Portabella'S. You can see it right there. I just left there and ordered a pizza. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking?
You're about to watch the Portabella'S channel. Enjoy.
Yeah, just got out of the Portabella'S restaurant, Italian restaurant. And I've never had a pizza purchase quite like this. And I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm saying it in the greatest way possible. I went in there, maybe I made a mistake by identifying the fact that I was going to do this for a YouTube review, pizza review. But I have no complaints. And the owner's wife wanted to know what I was about, and I explained to her, you know, I did this in my career, and now I do this on YouTube and all that, right? And she was all game, so she let me go back in the kitchen and record a little bit of them making the same kind of pizza that I ordered.
This is Polly.
How you doing?
Hey, Polly. Stacy, I want to introduce you to somebody.
She's. How you doing?
This is Polly. He's
I'm a YouTuber. I'm a pizza fan.
oh,
You know, Detroiter.
Film ranking at your pizza.
Hey, he's better than me.
Yeah, he's definitely an artist.
So is that the line right there? The line's is small, so probably not.
Yeah, like
Sweet.
what are you making there, Mike?
I'm making a FOLEY pizza. That's what I'm making right now.
That's why I ordered a small one though. Very cool. I've been trying to get here, but your hours are kind of limited for my time frame, so.
Well, we're closed Sundays and Mondays, but we're open 3 to 8 during the week and 3 to 9 on Fridays and Saturdays.
Great. Yeah, I told my wife I gotta come here today. So
Well, I'm glad you came.
she came. Yeah, that's true.
That one is our FOLEY pizza,
Okay. Yeah, that's
and it has mozzarella cheese, onions, green bell peppers,
right.
red peppers,
Come without olives.
Kalamata olives, mushrooms, Italian
The
sausage.
Greek Kalamata olives. There we go. Very cool. They're the most popular?
Pretty much the prime pizza.
Okay. Those are seasoned.
Yes, they
Very
are
nice.
very seasoned. They go in a 650-degree oven.
650. Okay.
And as you can see, we make sure that there's pepperoni on just about every square inch
Sweet.
before it
The
goes
FOLEY.
in the oven.
All right. That is nice.
We're going to pop it in. There it goes.
Never trust an underused oven, I'll tell you.
No, it's well worn, well cleaned.
Baker's pride, yeah.
Baker's pride.
Sweet. Thank you, guys. Yes, sir. So, what did I order? Now, looking here at their menu, they got some pretty cool options. Look at the names on here. Some of them are named after cities or areas here in Baldwin County. I found myself in a toss-up of getting either this here FOLEY or the Lion. Now, I was wondering if the Lion meant the FOLEY Lions, which is a team nickname for the football team. And I was told, no, it's not. But that thing's a meat heaven. That is the Lion. But I ordered the Foley. I ordered a small one. $13 for a small one. Let's give it a try. I did try one piece. She wanted me to try a piece in front of her just to see how I liked it. And yeah, let me show you. I'm gonna try some. Here's a picture of the pizza before I dug into it. And it was screaming hot. It was in that oven. That oven, the Baker's Pride oven, the oven's about 30 years old, which is a great thing because it's a proven oven, and they cook their pizzas at over 600 degrees. And let's get a piece. That first piece I ate inside the restaurant, it was kind of a little too hot, causing the toppings to run off a little bit, but amazing. Let's try it. That is special. I love these olives. The Kamalata Greek olives. Now, you have a chalkboard with some limited offer type pizzas, and here they are. This dough is perfect. Perfect. So yeah, this is an Italian restaurant, but she told me that they put a little Cajun twist to their Alabama recipes. Perfectly done. This is the best pizza in Foley. This is the best pizza in the area. This is the best pizza in the county. And if I was still doing Paulie Detmer's pepperoni scale ratings from 0 to 5, I would definitely give this 5 pepperonis with the dirty fingertips. Now the owner, said, "I hope you like it, Paulie." And I said, "I already know I will, because everybody around me has told me about this place." It all started at the church. Fellow churchgoers were saying, asked me if I have tried this one at Portabella'S, and I said no. And I told the owner I had a hard time getting here because you don't open till 3. And usually when we go out to eat or something like that, it's usually before 3. Now, I think she appreciated me doing this review because she said she wanted to give me something, and this is what she gave me. Some tiramisu. How cool is that? It's got them lady fingers in there, and coffee, all kinds of flavor in that. I shouldn't be eating this, but I will give it a try. I don't have a fork with me, so I can't do that right now. Yeah, excellent pizza. I wish I could have recorded this inside of the restaurant, but it was a little dark. Unfortunately, it's a rainy day today. We got this wannabe typhoon going above us, north of us, and yeah, it's too dark in there. Camera wouldn't pick up the true beauty of this pizza. So I thank you all for watching. And I'll see you all in the next one here on the Paulie Detmer's channel. And if you ever go to Foley, go to Portabella'S Italian restaurant.